Hi, today we're talking about Copilot Cowork. Today, Cowork came to Frontier at last, finally, and let's see what we can do here. As you can see on the screen, Cowork is a basic agent, as you can see here. Let's quickly go to Agent 365 and here we have our Cowork Frontier, a versatile digital coworker that interprets natural language instructions, breaks them into actionable steps and carries them out across files, applications and online services to streamline research, organization and routine knowledge work in a consistent automated way. Yes. So, what you can do here, basically whatever comes to mind. We have some buttons, what you can try. Organize my inbox, organize my week, prep for meeting, research a company. For now, we have a Claude Sonnet 4.6, Claude Opus 4.6, and maybe ChatGPT is coming later, etc. Here we have some word editing, so to say, and add work content, upload images and files, attach cloud files. As you can see, we have previous Cowork searches, so to say, but let's try research a company. Oh, and we have a sample prompt here. Help me analyze a company. If I do not provide one, ask me which one, etc., etc. Lots of text, as you can see here. But let's try that one. So, Copilot Cowork starts to work. So, Cowork starts to work, and what happens first? Help me analyze a company if I do not provide one, etc., etc. That was the basic prompt. And then first question, company, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, whatever you want. Let's choose Microsoft and then submit, and then let's see what happens. And as you can see on the top right corner, we have our details. Progress. First we have researching Microsoft financials and news, great work documentary, company overview and plus recent developments, build financials, model spreadsheet, 5 tabs, and then we have output folder, input folder and skills, of course depending on what do we need. But let's see what do we got next. And here we go, we have some updates coming up, searching the web, etc. And of course, you can write whatever you want. Meanwhile, Cowork is finding something. For example, if you want to do some Excel spreadsheets, if you want PowerPoints, or whatever comes to mind, you can write Copilot, just do this, do that, etc. Yes. But let's wait for our first versions to come. And yes, sometimes this is gonna take a while before you get your final answers or final results or final output, etc. You can leave if you want. That's totally fine, and you can come back and Cowork will still doing its job, and that is good update because you can left doing this in one tab and then you can go to another one and continue your work, so to say. But let's wait for our first results, so to say. And we have our task done. Sometimes it's not take this long. This one take approximately half an hour. Sometimes it's only take 1-2 minutes, etc. But anyways, here we have our deliverables, MSFT research and Word and Excel, both of those. Let's see that Word, for example, and pretty cool. Looks pretty cool, yes. And the Excel is also pretty good, perfect. And of course these are the first drafts, because AI can hallucinate. Of course you need to check those, but anyways, but here we go. Copilot Cowork, and of course we can continue. Can you add this analysis to our shared strategy folder in SharePoint, or whatever you want to do next? But yes, here we have our main screen, so to say, and on the upper right corner we have our details output folder. As you can see here, Excel and Word, and input folder, skills, deep research, Word and Excel, those what we needed to complete our task, etc. And progress is 100%. So that is Cowork Frontier, and one tiny piece of it, research a company. Of course there is a prep for a meeting, organize my week, organize my inbox, but of course those are our company NDA stuff, so I cannot show you those. But anyways, Copilot Cowork, for now you can use Cloud Sonnet 4.6, Cloud Opus 4.6. You can add your work stuff, upload images, and add cloud files, and format text if you want, and if you want to dictate, you can do that. But that is Copilot Cowork in Frontier.